Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Singh Thakur, and in this video, initially I was very confused about what should I work on. Uh, when I got this cup of coffee, I got this idea like I have something robot that can do some autonomous task I have built for, but it is lying around here for almost 2 or 3 months. So I thought let's give it some other feature like voice recognition or something like that, so that I could ask it to go get me coffee, go to that particular location, do certain task. Well, it cannot manipulate object around because it don't have any kind of robot arm and integrated with it. So first thing first, I need to navigate it to around all my hall, room and kitchen, so that it can understand what and where the objects and obstacles are. And after that I need to re-edit this .pgm file. So based on that mapping data, I need to re-edit this. So I used GIMP, that is called GNU image manipulation program. And using this program, I am able to edit this .pgm file because I cannot find other application that support this particular file. So after that, I just edited all the obstacle. I re-edited all the map and overall environment. And after that, I loaded this into the brain of my Jetson Nano, I could say, and inside the mapping map package in my robot. So after that, it successfully initialize and load the map perfectly, and it start working as on its classical way, like you need to assign it manually in the screen using the rviz, and it can navigate to certain location like the hall and all the kitchen, and you can do a lot of thing with it. Lot of the waypoint or nav to goal is there. So using that, you can actually assign any location in your environment. So first I need to recharge my battery, this 12,000 mAh battery. I shut down my Jetson Nano and my robot, and I charge this battery up. So after that, adding the voice recognition. And for the voice recognition, as I was really confused initially, so I got to know that I have a module that is called that is from DFRobot. This is called an offline voice recognition module. I will put the exact name on the screen. I use Arduino Uno. So after I got all this hardware sorted, I need to work on the external covering part because I cannot put it in the open out there. So I really like a good looking things in my robots. So I 3D printed this casing using my Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer, and it looks fabulous. So you can see once I power it up, it start working, and it does not rely on lot of computation or single board computer like Raspberry Pi and all those very complex hardware. So this is it. Once I got all this, I attach it to my Jetson Nano, and using the that A to B connector for Arduino Uno. And once everything is done, now the main part is here, that is the programming, building this package. So not very complex actually, in a single line, and the easiest way I could explain this to you is it actually takes certain ID from our voice assistant. The offline module send that particular ID. Based on that ID, it have the location or the coordinate hard coded inside it, and it can navigate. But initially, when I have tested it multiple time, it shows a lot of failure. But over the time, I try to change some more parameters, some more values in it. So after that, it started working successfully. And based on some particular command like go to hall, go to kitchen, and go back to Vikas, are some easy command, so easy to understand for me and for my parents and someone around. So now it is really good. Still there are some problems with it, but at the end everything seems perfect and it start working. Let's ask it to go to the hall. So hey Jarvis, go to hall. Now it will get its own park. Nice. And now let's go today or not. This is the only place where I don't know why it's stuck a lot, and I need to put it back on its track. So I need to reconstruct the map here on this area especially. But yeah, overall working is perfect. So I don't have any kind of keyboard or something to control it. It is moving autonomously itself. There is some change in the overall orientation of our sofa here. So this may be a little bit problematic for it to identify where it is actually. But yeah, it works perfect. So actually in the path, the door is coming up here. So that's why it is not able to plan it very perfectly. And the passing area I have set here is around 40 centimeter. So the area is there, but it is considering this area which is not previously on the map. So this is problematic, but let's assign it to go back to our room. Hey Jarvis, go back to Vikas. Now it should go back to my room over there. The location from my room to hall is very straightforward or almost very simple. That's why I think it worked perfectly. But for the kitchen area, I think I need to recalibrate everything up. So here we are. If I am able to build something so that it can grab some object from kitchen, like for example, if there is some fruit or something, then that is a future application. But yeah, it works perfectly. And this is all. I am happy with it. So I'll be putting all the ROS packages on the description. You can check out all the code, how you can integrate in your own robotic, the ROS project. So see you on the next video. This is Vikas and I love robotics. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.